Here's how to really make money on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. Now, before we get started, I'm Press Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, maybe like yours, and I help content creators and affiliate marketers also learn how to make money on Pinterest. So a lot of times what I see on this app is people saying to affiliate marketers, here's how you make money on Pinterest. You create a pin, you slap it on Pinterest, you send it to, let's say, the Amazon affiliate link, and that's it. $5,000 every single month. Long story short, they leave a lot of stuff out on how to actually make this money. Now, I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty of like keywording, actually optimizing your pins for Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. What I am going to tell you is one thing I suggest you do as an affiliate marketer. And I'm going to stop saying affiliate marketer. So I suggest that you create a blog. And that way you can post like different types of lists type of things on your blog, because those will do really well from people on Pinterest. People on Pinterest are usually looking for a solution for something. They're also in that planning stage. So if you're able to provide them with something like a list of things, it can really help them narrow down what they should get. For example, say it's someone looking for eco-friendly products for their new apartment. You can create a blog post that says 5 of the best eco-friendly products you can find on Amazon. You can add things like for your kitchen, for your apartment, for your home, for your living room, etc. From there, the plane will know I'm making a video. From there, you can quickly list out the products, and you can have multiple products being able to be clicked on. And to make it even easier on you, you can use something like ChatGPT or an AI to help you write that blog post in like 10 minutes flat. So now you have a blog post that people can find on Pinterest with 5 different products that are affiliates that people can go to on, Amazon. And you can create multiple pins for this blog post, but you can also still create pins for the products by themselves. This is also really dope because it allows you to send people to a website, which Pinterest is always going to prioritize over any other link because it can be your claimed website. And because you're creating a blog post, that can also be SEO optimized for Google, allowing you to reach a bigger audience and make more money. So you'll be able to use both Google and Pinterest to bring in the coins. I might be a little biased, but it seems like a win-win situation to me. So yeah, definitely use Pinterest, but also find out ways to use it to be more effective for your affiliate marketing strategy. If you have any more questions, hit me up.